Hello children, we are doing mathematics, sine of trigonometric functions. For that one you have to divide. For finding the sine now, we have to divide it into 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1 and quadrant 2, quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. In quadrant 1, we'll write for identifying the sine of that quadrants, actually sine in that quadrant, we'll write one sentence, all silver teacups. All silver teacups. So that means in the quadrant 1, all trigonometric functions are positive. In quadrant 1, all trigonometric functions are positive. In quadrant 2, only sine function will be positive. In quadrant 1, all the trigonometric functions are positive. In quadrant 2, sine function only will be positive. All trigonometric functions. But in quadrant 2, sine function will be positive. Sine function means all silver teacups. So that means sine and its reciprocal. In bracket I'll write sine positive and cosec theta is the reciprocal of sine theta. That is also positive in quadrant 1. Now, next one is silver teacups. So, tan will be positive, tan theta, positive, and its reciprocal cot theta. Cot theta. 1 by tan theta is also positive. Next on teacups, no, cos theta. So we'll write cos theta. Cos theta will be positive and its reciprocal sec theta 1 by cos theta is also positive. Now here all the values. So all the values from 0 to 90 degree are positive. Means all the acute angles are positive. That means here we'll write 360 plus theta or only plus theta or 360 plus theta or 2k pi plus theta. Means all the multiples of 360 plus theta. All of them are belonging to quadrant 1. Then next one, all 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta also belongs to quadrant 1. 90 minus theta belongs to quadrant 1. Theta belongs to quadrant 1. Now 90 plus theta. 90 plus theta belongs to quadrant 2. And here all the 180 minus theta also belongs to quadrant 2. And next on tan theta will be positive in the third quadrant. So here all the 180 plus theta belongs to quadrant 3. Or all the 270 minus theta also belongs to quadrant 3. And again next on 270 plus theta belongs to quadrant 4. So in that quadrant 4, cos theta will be positive. And all the 360 minus theta, all the minus thetas belong to quadrant 4. All the 360 minus theta belongs to quadrant 4. And all the multiples of pi minus theta also belongs to quadrant 4. Now we'll discuss. So quadrant 1, 2 we completed and 3 and next one 4 also we completed. Now we'll discuss about the formula. So from here only all the sine minus theta Minus theta belongs to quadrant 4 actually. Minus theta belongs to quadrant 4. So, In the quadrant 4, only cos theta will be positive. So that means sin theta will be negative. Cos minus theta will be positive. It is also belonging to quadrant 4. Now sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is in quadrant 1. So sin 90 minus theta will change into its complementary angle cos theta. And again cos 90 minus theta. Cos 90 minus theta is also belonging to quadrant 1. So in quadrant 1 all the trigonometric functions are positive. So cos 90 minus theta will be plus sin theta. Next one, sin 90 plus theta. Sin 90 plus theta, all the 90 plus thetas belong to quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. So it will be pi by 2 plus theta, 90 plus theta. So it will become complementary angle. So sin 90 plus theta will be plus cos theta, because all the trigonometric functions of sine will be positive in the second quadrant. Now cos 90 plus theta is also belonging to second quadrant. But in this one only sine will be positive. That means cos will be answer of cos 90 plus theta will be negative. That means it will be minus sin theta. Next one is cos 90 plus theta. That one is over. It is in the second quadrant. Now sin 180 plus theta. 180 plus thetas belong to third quadrant. So in the third quadrant only tan will be negative, positive. That means sin 180 plus theta will be negative in the third quadrant. Cos 180 plus theta is also negative in the third quadrant. Now next one, sin 180 minus theta. Sin 180 minus theta belongs to the second quadrant. Sin 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. Here quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. 180 plus theta belongs to third quadrant. Now sin 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta belongs to second quadrant. In that one sine will be positive, so plus, and only sine will be positive in the second quadrant. So cos 180 minus theta will be minus cos theta. Now next one, sin 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus theta means 360 plus theta. Belongs to quadrant 1. Quadrant 1 sine answer will be positive. Now next one, cos 2 pi plus theta. That will be cos 2 pi plus theta is 360 plus theta belong to quadrant 1. That one also will be positive, cos theta. Sin 2 pi minus theta. So 2 pi minus theta means 360 minus theta belongs to quadrant 4. It's quadrant 1, this is quadrant 4. In the quadrant 4, sine answer of sine will be negative. So minus sin theta. And cos 2 pi minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant, 360 minus theta. So it will be plus cos theta. Now in general we wrote all the multiples of 360 plus theta belongs to first quadrant. First quadrant is fourth quadrant. Now 2k pi plus theta belongs to again first quadrant, it will be plus cos theta. Now 2k pi minus theta belongs to fourth quadrant. So it will be minus sin theta, and cos 2k pi minus theta. Only cos will be positive in the fourth quadrant. So plus cos theta. And whenever we will do sin 90 minus theta or plus theta, it will change into its complementary angle. Complementary angle of sin is cos, and complementary angle of cos is sin. In the same way for 270 also, these vertically opposite angles for both of the sin, all of 270 minus theta and 270 plus theta will change into its complementary angle.